Mark, single pa rin, and posible bang matupad yung wish ni Christian sa'yo this year or before March 6?
I apologize. Sabi ka ni Christian, now is the time. Now is the time. I mean, hindi natin alam. Hindi ko alam, but now I am meeting people. Ang dami. But you know, pero sabi ko nga sa last interview ko na may mobility na tao, parang okay to parang connected kami, ganyan. Pero hindi ka pa rin sigurado or sa akin, hindi ko rin parang may time na hindi pa kayo nagko-commit sa isa or something. And then biglang mag-fade na lang yung attraction or something. May mga ganun din. So parang nawawala. But at this point, sinabi ko na to na my heart is in a happy place.
Eh!
Yeah.